Of the 20 students in a classroom, there are 12 boys. If all students handed in their homework, what is the probability that the top homework sheet belongs to a girl? Well, in order to solve this problem, we will have to recognize probability. Probability of an event, in this case that the top homework sheet belongs to a girl, or the probability of a girl, is equal to the number of favorable outcomes out of the total number of outcomes. In this case, our favorable outcome is that the girl is randomly selected as the top sheet. Therefore, we need to know how many girls we have in the classroom. Well, since there are 20 total students, and we know that there are 12 boys, would leave 20 minus 12, or that there was 8 girls. Therefore, the number of favorable outcomes is 8 out of the total number of outcomes, or the total number of homework sheets they would have, which is 20. Therefore, 8 divided by 20, or 8/20ths, would be our probability. But now we want to change it into percentages. So one way we could do it is we know that a percentage is per 100. Therefore, I want to find an equivalent fraction to 8/20ths with a denominator of 100. I can see that I would have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 5, giving me 40 hundredths, which is the same as 40%. Another way I could have done this is to first simplify 8/20ths. 8/20ths is the same as, well, dividing both numerator and denominator by 4 gives me 2/5, and 2/5 is equal to or equivalent to 0.4 or 4/10, which again gives me to 40%. Therefore, D is my answer, 40% probability that the top homework sheet belongs to a girl. Another way that we could approach this problem is we could eliminate some of our choices. We know our answer could not be 50% because there is not an equal number of boys and girls. If I would look at 25%, 25% of my 20 students would have to be girls, and 25% of my 20 students, or a fourth of my 20 students, would tell me that there would be only 1/4 times 20, or 5 girls. Since we know there's more than 5 girls, we know our probability has to be greater than 25%. Again, either one of these methods, eliminating choices or calculating the answer, would get us to the correct result.